Hey there, welcome back. If you watched my last video, you might remember we ended with a twist. Who was the first programmer? If you guessed Ada Lovelace, you were absolutely right. Ada wrote the first algorithm before computers even existed. That's the power of programming, turning ideas into reality, no matter the era. Now you might be wondering, how can you turn your ideas into reality today? Well, that's exactly what we're going to talk about in this video, how to become a programmer. 1. Attention. Why programming is a valuable skill. Today, let me start with the truth. Programming is no longer just for tech geeks in hoodies. It's for everyone. Did you know that almost every single device we use, from our smartphones to the smart fridge in our kitchen, is powered by code? Think about it. Self-driving cars, your favorite apps, even AI assistants like Siri, they're all made by programmers just like you could be one day. In fact, the world is in desperate need of coders right now. In India and globally, tech jobs are in high demand, and there's a shortage of skilled programmers. If you've ever thought about the possibility of turning your passion for technology into a career, now's the perfect time. So why not take the first step today? Wait, I know what you're thinking, but isn't programming really complicated? Trust me, it's simpler than it seems, and I'll show you exactly how you can start. 2. Interest. What you can achieve as a programmer. Let's get into the real magic here. What you can actually achieve as a programmer. First off, as a programmer, you are a problem solver. You're literally going to be changing the world. Whether it's optimizing an existing process or coming up with something completely innovative. Imagine building a mobile app that millions of people are downloading every day, or designing a game that everyone plays during their free time. It could even be you making advancements in data science or AI, solving complex challenges that could change the future of industries. The possibilities? Endless. All you need is the right mindset, tools, and most importantly, the willingness to learn. 3. Desire. Steps to become a programmer. All right, you've decided you want to be a programmer, but what's next? Here's your roadmap. Step 1. Learning the fundamentals. First, you need to understand the basics. This is your foundation. You need to get comfortable with concepts like variables, loops, and functions. And here's where it gets fun. Logic building. You'll be thinking like a computer, solving problems step by step. This is like learning a new language, but without the complicated grammar. Simple, structured, and powerful. If you're wondering where to start, there are tons of free resources online, from YouTube tutorials to online platforms like Codecademy and Free Code Camp. Trust me, no one gets it right the first time. Mistakes are part of the process, so don't worry about it too much. Step 2. Choosing your first programming language. Now comes the fun part, choosing your first programming language. You might be tempted to pick something like C++ or Java, but here's the secret. Start simple. Here are some top programming languages to consider. Python. This is one of the easiest programming languages to learn. It's widely used in data science, machine learning, web development, and automation. Websites like YouTube, Instagram, and Spotify have been built using Python. JavaScript. This language is essential for web development. JavaScript makes websites interactive, and it's used in popular platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Netflix. Java. Known for its versatility, Java is used in everything from web applications to Android apps. Big companies like LinkedIn, Airbnb, and eBay use Java in their backend. C#, mainly used for game development, especially with the Unity engine. If you're interested in building games, C# is a great choice. Ruby, a beginner-friendly language that's used for building web applications. It powers websites like GitHub and Airbnb. So, pick a language, dive in, and learn by doing. The more you practice, the faster you'll build your skills. Step 3. Build small projects and practice regularly. Next, we move on to practice. Once you have the basics down, start building small projects. Build a simple calculator, a to-do list, or even a weather app. The more you practice, the more you'll learn. And let me tell you something. The first time your code actually works, You're going to feel like a superhero. That feeling of accomplishment will keep you going. Don't get too attached to your projects though, okay? It's like your first car. It might be a little rough, but it'll get you places. 4. Action. Average earnings for programmers. So, what's in it for you financially? How does this programming gig pay off? Let's talk money. As a fresh coder, you might start at an entry-level salary. In India, you can expect around 3 to 5 lakh rupees per year as a beginner, depending on your skills. But here's the exciting part. As you gain experience, your salary can increase. Mid-level programmers can make 10 to 15 lakh rupees annually. And for senior programmers, it could go up to 20 lakh rupees or more. And don't even get me started on global salaries. In the US, for example, the average salary for a programmer can be upwards of $70,000 annually, depending on your expertise. Plus, if you specialize in areas like data science, web development, or AI, you can demand even higher pay. Your earning potential grows along with your skill set. 5. Career paths for programmers. So now that you know how to get started and what you can make, what kind of career paths are available for you? Let's explore. Web developers, front-end, back-end, full stack. Build websites or web applications like Facebook, YouTube, and Amazon. Mobile app developers. Build apps that people use every day. Think Instagram or WhatsApp. Data scientists, just analysts. Analyze large sets of data. Companies like Uber and Netflix rely on data science to drive decisions. Game developers. Design video games. Games like Fortnite or Minecraft were created by programmers just like you. DevOps engineers. Focus on development and operations for smoother deployments. Software engineers. Improve existing software or build new software products, just like the ones used by Google and Microsoft. Now you know the steps to becoming a programmer, the earning potential, and the exciting career paths you can take. Are you ready to start your programming journey? Hit that subscribe button for coding tutorials, tips, and more right here on Bits and Bytes. I'll be here to guide you every step of the way. Remember, the world needs more problem solvers like you.